Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to update the Opay app on your mobile phone step by step. Keeping your Opay app updated ensures better security, faster performance and access to latest features for smooth transaction. The Opay app regularly releases updates to improve user experience, fix bugs and enhance security for financial transactions. So whether you're using an Android phone or an iPhone, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process on how to update your Opay app easily. So make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And if this video is helpful to you, please do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Now let's get started. So guys, the first step you have to take now is to go over to your Play Store or your App Store. If you're using an Android device, go over to your Play Store. While if you're using an iPhone or an iOS device, you have to go over to your App Store. So let me tap on my Play Store since I'm using an Android device in this tutorial. Let me tap on it. You can see now my Play Store is opening. So once your App Store or your Play Store opens up, what you have to do now is to search for Opay. You have to search for Opay, and for you to do that, you have to tap on the search icon at the bottom right. So let me tap on it. Then the next step now is to tap on the search bar at the top. So let me tap on it. Then let me go ahead now to type in Opay. Then let me tap on search. Right here you can see the Opay app, you can see the Opay logo and you can see the name right there. And if you look on the right hand side, you're going to see the update button. That's to confirm that this Opay app that I'm using right now is outdated, so I need to update it to get the latest version. But before I tap on updates, let me tap on the Opay so I can see the Opay page. Let me tap on it and tap on Opay. You can see it more clearly now, Opay. So you can still see the update button right there. So now for you to update this app, what I have to do next is to tap on update. So let me tap on update right away. You can see guys that started updating is at 24%. So let's wait till it gets to 100%. Once it's fully downloaded, it's going to start installing automatically. You can see it has gotten to 100%. So it's going to start installing in a few seconds. Right there guys, you can see it has started installing. It's installing the latest version, the updated version of Opay. You can see it right there. Wow guys, you can see I've been able now to update the Opay app and now have the latest features, the latest version. And as you can see there, you can no longer find the update button right there. This to confirm that I've actually updated the Opay app. So what I can go ahead now to do is to decide if I want to open up the app. So you can see open right there. I can tap on open to continue. So this is simply how you can be able to update your Opay app on your mobile device. And I believe this was helpful to you. Do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Bye.